She actually bought it for 50K and her value went to 50 million. She bought it very early. She worked for Google. She's really smart.
Nice.
Okay. And never sold until she met us. And not that we have some magic thing, except for we can help her defer capital gains tax. So for her, she wanted to be able to defer the cap gains tax living in California, didn't want to move to Puerto Rico. So the 50,000 went to 50 million. So we started with 5 million first tranche. Okay. We're the first to ever do this for our strategy. Okay. And it's an installment sale with the trust. Okay. So we set it up. She transferred. Now in this scenario, we had to use Kraken because that's the only one that was working with us at the point. Kraken, we transferred the coin to a trust account from her personal name in exchange for a promissory note. So she's owed back. So the trust bought and sold for the same price. So the trust had no gain, and now the trust owes her the money. Okay. But here's the cool thing. We exited at 54,000 a coin. The market, shot up and then it shot down to 15, but she was able to capture that value, that 5 million at 54 a coin. Now, she turned around and she invested that into a business startup and diversified the wealth. Okay. But this is the whole idea. We gave her leverage on time. Right? She didn't want to sell the other 45 million. She let that ride high and low. But we gave her the ability to defer 1.85 million of tax and then be able to defer that amount of money, Dan, and then buy back in when it made sense, a lower price or buy real estate.